What's up, Techno fam? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect up a REL T9X via line level connection, aka this thing. What the heck was that? We're going to check it out right after the jump. Today's video is brought to you by the Piggy Soul Gang NFT project on the Solana network. If you've been wanting to get into NFTs and avoid all the high gas fees associated with the Ethereum network, you should definitely check out a project like the Piggy Soul Gang. They sold out of all 10,000 piggies pretty quickly, but you can pick them up on the digital eyes market and find the perfect pig. The Piggy Soul Gang also has a good looking roadmap with an income sharing model of 30% weekly to all piggy holders starting the end of September, along with the free airdrop in October of 5,000 NFTs to current piggy holders. Check out the Piggy Soul Gang, all their links are in the description. I personally like the ones that are smoking doobies. It's my kind of piggy. So if you guys haven't seen my unboxing video of the REL T9X, make sure you go check that out. I'll put a link down in the description and with the card up top, and you'll see a cable that comes with it that looks a bit odd. This cable has a Speakon connector on one side, and on the other side it has a red, yellow, and black wire. Now normally if we have 3 wires, we would assume it's like a positive, a negative, and a ground. However, with this wire, it's a positive, and a negative. So there's 2 positive cables, so 2 hot cables, and I guess 1 cold cable. Is that the lingo? I'm not an electrician, so I wouldn't know. So I've got the Michi X3 set up in the back here, so why don't we go connect up the wires so I can show you exactly what you need to do. Now the Michi X3 is an integrated amp that just happens to have 4 binding posts for each speaker in case you wanted to buy wire. Now, side note, I sell Michi and REL, so if you guys are interested in any of those brands, shoot me an email and we'll work on pricing and availability of all the high-end Michi and REL amplifiers. On the left are 2 red binding posts and 2 black binding posts for the right speaker, and then on the right you have the same for the left speaker. Now there are 2 ways to connect via high level to your amplifier. First, if you have only one REL T9X, you will want to connect the red cable to the positive pole on one speaker. In this case, it will be the right speaker. I'll then connect the black cable to the black binding post for the right speaker. Now with the yellow cable, I will connect that to the positive post for the left speaker. Here's what it looks like. Now I'll connect my left and right speaker with banana plugs just to make things easy and so you can see what it's supposed to look like when you're done. So now you're probably saying, well, that was actually pretty easy. We just needed to know that we needed to put the yellow cable onto the other positive pole on the opposite speaker. Now, what happens if you have 2 REL subwoofers that you want to connect up via high level? How would that go? Let's go check it out. Okay, so we're going to connect the red wire and the yellow wire to the positive post for the right speaker. Then connect the black wire to the negative binding post for the right speaker. Now we're just going to connect the cables going to speakers, and this is what it should look like. Now I seem to have kind of misplaced the other Speakon cable. It's probably not misplaced at all. I just have one in here, which means I probably have the other one in the box, which is in the storage unit, which is, yeah, it's not here. So the only way to show you how it looks like when 2 RELs are connected is to do this. No, I'm not tricking your eyes, it's just a mirror effect, but you get the idea. Each speaker output will have the red and yellow wires connected to the red binding post. The black wire will be connected to the negative binding post. And of course, each speaker has a positive and negative connection via banana plugs going to them. And last but not least, connect the Speakon connector to the T9X and it should lock into place after you insert and twist. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple, right? That is how you connect a REL subwoofer with their included Speakon to 3-wire cable. If you were ever wondering how to do it, now you know. And of course, don't forget, I will be making a review video about these subwoofers, and I say these because they did send 2 of them. I got one here and one there, and I'm going to take them both upstairs and run them in high level, run them in LFE with the RCAs, and let you know my thoughts about these subwoofers. I'll tell you right now, in here, like, it rocks this room, like both of them. I had to turn one of them off because it was just a bit too much. So if you're wondering about these subwoofers, make sure you subscribe up and hit the bell so you get notified when the new videos are released. And if you have any questions about this or anything else, let me know down in the comments below, or hit me up on social or email, whichever you like to use. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.